So, guys, hopefully you like the new intro. Just messing around with stuff. It might
The
change,
home
might not.
point has
But
been updated. Please check it on the map.
this video here is just me messing around with the drone. I'm here in Lynchburg, Virginia. I know it still needs to be updated. The drone still needs to be updated, so that's why I've been having a little bit of problems with the camera. But I finished updating it after I flew the drone. So, but yeah, just going through, showing you guys some view of Lynchburg,
The home
Virginia.
point has been updated.
Or not Lynchburg, Virginia
Please
per
check
se,
it on the
but
map.
the Lynchburg, Virginia Frito-Lay plant. So once I get everything situated, we keep going. Take a look. As you can see, there's another. That's a Snyder driver that's here. And of course, there's my lovely truck. I think this is the same trailer that my boy Rodney said was here. I see Lloyd was late on its side, and I see they put 2 new tires on the passenger side, so I think that's the same one that was here. But this is me going up, just taking a look at the whole facility. I'm right there to the left. I've never been back that way. I think that's where the what do you call it? The oh my gosh, the raw materials go on that side. Then my trailer's actually in the door already, getting loaded, and these are all loaded trailers right there. Right there to the right there is the shop, also of where they fix the trucks and stuff. But the view on the back is just, I didn't realize it was that nice. I didn't know you could see the mountains from this close, but this is it though. It's nice. It's not bad. I mean, I thought I was in here. I was talking the whole time, thinking that it was recording, but I was wrong. I guess because I had my headset on, it didn't record the audio. But I was checking to see how far I was up in the air. I couldn't go too far because there was a restriction. I don't know why. I don't know if there's an airport nearby or something, but there was a restriction or a restricted site around here somewhere. So started going this way. I lost a little bit of service, so it does jump every now and then. But man, I'm glad I think the camera's fixed now. When I did the update, so I did the update and then calibrated the gimbal again. So hopefully when I do the next drone footage, it's a lot better. As you can see, just a few seconds ago, it was losing service with the drone, but quickly got it back again as I'm going up here towards where we turn in at to get to go towards Frito-Lay. I don't know what this white building is to the right. Never really paid it no mind when I was coming in here, but I know right there to the left is a Sheets or a Rudders or whatever it is. See, there's one of the notifications right there. It couldn't go too high, so I came back down a little bit. And I know once I started flying closer, like I said, I think another notice came up as well. So I just turned around and headed back the other way. But yep, there it is right there. I said, so when I seen that, I just went on and said, you know what, I ain't gonna go too far. Just take a look at what's going on around here, and then I ended up turning around and headed back towards the Frito-Lay plant. But I know when I start recording next time, I will make sure that the sound or my headset is disconnected and I talk directly into the phone. Like I said, I don't know exactly why it didn't. The voice and stuff didn't pick up. I don't know why, but it is what it is. So I started following the right here. the train tracks, the train cars that lead into the backside, the raw material side of Frito-Lay. Like I said, never been on this side. I do know they have trailers that are lined up over there as well. But yeah, see, excuse me, getting closer to the backside of it. Like I said, this is where the raw material comes in at. See a few reefer trailers down there, a few trucks over there as well. But yeah, that's where the raw materials. I've never been on that side, so I don't know exactly all. I know they do have a offload place for the potatoes for the reefer trailers, but and then because the guys come out here and they sweep the trailer up instead of dumping them in that trash can that's over here to my right, they just dump it in the grass and it just smells like nothing but potatoes over here. Shout out to Jordan Matthews for subscribing. Appreciate that. But as you see here, they got a few JB Hunt 360 box trailers back here to the left, right there on the ground. And there's more docks back here. I didn't know there was docks back here, but like I said, I don't know. I think it's just raw material that goes into there. And then we have part of the employee parking right here. This is the front of the building for where the employees come in at and everything. And then where you see those that truck that's sitting a long way, the white truck for like a Freightliner. That's where you're supposed to park at, and then you walk up the path to right behind that this green building or not green building, but green roof. That little awning in the back. That's where you pick up your paperwork at. If it's not there, there's a number on the door that you call, and they'll give you information on your trailer. But right here in the center is where all the loaded trailers are at, most of them time. And like I said, this little white building right here to the left is where the shop is for Frito-Lay. Like I said, and that's the entire facility there. I like doing. This is actually pretty decent, pretty fun to take the drone up and look and just like look at different things, see different things. I'll do this if I can more often. I'll definitely do this more often. I just gotta make sure I can record the sound, and go from there. But other than that, like I said, it's pretty decent. Right where all those trailers are, right there on the left between the two tree lines. That's where I think those trailers all over there are sold, but that's where you can park at. This right here, the GPS brought me to that road where the car turned in at. That's not where you go at. That's not where you turn in at. You got to turn in actually right there to the right where that truck is coming out at. That's where all the truck entrance is at. I took the GPS and it took me to the car entrance before. I don't know why, but I went past it and then I had to turn right into here and go in there just to bust a U-turn to come back out. It was my first time coming there, so. But yeah. Other than that, like I said, this is the Lynchburg, Virginia facility. Like I said, it's beautiful here. At least up in the air it is. It's not bad looking. But yeah, man. And from here on out, I'll probably do more, if I can do it, drone footage. See a Snyder driver actually is backing in to pick up his load. But as I get closer, I'm gonna get down here and actually check out this trailer. I backed up to this trailer. This trailer is actually I have is empty. I backed up to this trailer because this location needs empty trailers, and I know I'm picking up a load, but he said that the load, you know, wasn't ready yet, so they'll use my trailer. But you can't really tell in this video, but this trailer's been, looks like it's either it was side swipe or it was laid on the side something, because it was pretty bad scrapes going down the side of it, like up near towards the top in the middle. But it's crazy because you can hear the beeping in the video, but you couldn't hear me talking, which was, I don't know why. I got to fix that. But as you can see right there, the scrapes right there in the middle of the trailer. But sorry about that. I just had a phone call just interrupt the video, but I'm just taking the video and looking at the trailer and the truck and whatnot, looking at the lights underneath the truck. But like I said, I'm surprised you can hear all this noise, but you couldn't hear it, hear me talking, besides this voiceover that I'm doing now. But like I said, man, that's where I couldn't update it, so I had to wait until I actually landed to update it. But like I said, guys, I appreciate it. I hope you guys like this, the drone footage that I just did, and hopefully, if you do like it, I can start adding more footage of it and go from there. Man, my truck needs a wash. Don't get mad. I know it's just been running. It's just I need to take care of it, but or at least cleaning wise, I need to take care of it. But I plan on getting it washed when I take this load up there to Somerset, New Jersey. So, like I said, this is just footage of me in Lynchburg, Virginia, taking a load up to Somerset, New Jersey. So, once again, like I said, guys, I appreciate y'all, guys and girls. I appreciate y'all. Appreciate the comments. Appreciate everything. The subscribers, all this. So I appreciate everything. So just keep liking, keep commenting, keep subscribing. Let's get me out there. Let's get it out there, and hopefully inform other drivers. Different things here at JB Hunt and whatnot. But like I said, hopefully you like the footage, and I appreciate you all. Till next time, catch you later.